In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see deleted messages on Telegram. Telegram is cloud-based, which means messages sync across all your devices. When something is deleted and fully synced, it's usually gone for good. That said, there are a few smart places to check, and a couple of time-sensitive actions that might help you recover what you need. First, look in saved messages. This is your personal cloud sync space that acts like a private bookmark folder. If you or the other person forwarded important messages there at any point, they'll remain even if the original chat is deleted. Open Telegram, search for saved messages. And scroll or use the in-chat search to find keywords, dates, or file names. Forwarded text, photos, documents, and links typically keep their original content, so you may find exactly what you are missing. Think of this as your built-in safety net. Next, check other synced devices. If you deleted a chat on your phone but still have Telegram open on a desktop or another phone that hasn't synced yet, you might still see the messages on that device. Act quickly, immediately turn off the internet on that device to pause synchronization. On a computer, disable Wi-Fi or unplug the cable. On a phone or tablet, switch to airplane mode. With the device offline, open the chat and confirm the messages are visible. While you are still offline, export or save the content you need because once the device reconnects, Telegram will likely sync the deletion and the messages may disappear. When you are done, you can safely reconnect to the internet. If you use Telegram Desktop, the export tool can help you preserve what's visible or retrieve previous backups. On the desktop app, go to Settings, then Advanced, and choose Export Telegram Data. From there, select the data types you want such as personal chats, private groups, and media and choose a destination folder. Telegram can export in formats that open in a browser, making it easy to browse conversations and search for specific items. If you had exported before the deletion happened, open that earlier archive to find messages as they were at the time of the backup. If you are exporting now, anything currently visible on that desktop session can be saved before syncing removes it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.